This is my small balcony garden where I have kept only a few plants. So here on the tabletop I have the marble queen and the philodendron. These are propagated in water. This is a starfruit plant and these are the flowers. Here I have a stand. This I have used as a plant stand. Here I have my pothos, 2 types, and the snake plant. And down there I have the spider plants. And this is a special grass. And there I have my Aloevera plant. And here I have some moss rose and porcelain growing here. See, it's all flowering. This tree is growing so well. I love this green plant over here. And also I have jasmine, all-time favorites. It's also blooming. So I have not kept many plants here because due to maintenance problems, you need to water and bring soil upstairs. So due to that I have only a few plants here. So this is a small video about my balcony garden. Hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching.